Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So if you've got only the battery indicator and if you'd like to have this kind of percentage on the status bar, then all you have to do is to simply open the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find the battery. As you can see, on the third position we've got the battery percentage option, so simply open it, and as I said, if you've got only the battery icon, you've got this option, do not show option applied. So you will be able to set it next to the battery icon and it will look just like it, or inside the battery icon, and basically it will be displayed inside the indicator. So it's up to you which option you'd like to use. I will pick next to the battery icon. So actually this is it. This is how to show battery percentage in the status bar in your HUAWEI Nova 9 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.